Hey, Miller.
Yeah.
What do we got going on?
Well, Echo's gonna sneeze in my face.
Really?
Yeah.
Achoo!
Yeah.
Okay.
So, Mel,
Yeah.
what do we got going on here?
Echo's gonna sneeze on me again.
Again. How did the other ones go?
Less than well.
Okay, perfect. Ready? Achoo! How are you?
That one's better.
That one's good, huh? Okay. So, Miller,
Yeah.
what do we got going on?
Echo's gonna sneeze on me.
Is this the first time it's happened?
No.
You're hoping it's the last time, though, right?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. And achoo!
It's quite the.
Hey, Miller, what do we
Yeah.
got going on here?
Echo's gonna sneeze on me
Again?
again.
You're really hoping that it works this time, right?
I am.
All right. Well, here we go.
Mm-hmm.
Achoo! How was that?
Great.
Was it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.